Kudumbasthan Tamil movie summary. Naveen and his wife, Venila Neela, were in love since college. Due to opposition from parents on both sides, they had registered married a year ago, are now expecting a child and live in Coimbatore with Naveen's parents. Naveen's overly religious mother chides Naveen for marrying Venila, who belongs to scheduled caste, while Naveen's father often brings up new expenses. Having been disowned by Venila's family, Naveen is the family's sole breadwinner. He promises his father, Palnisamy, that he will renovate their house, assures his mother, Subbulakshmi, to fund her all-India religious trip, and vows to support Venila in preparing for the UPSC examination. Naveen, a designer at an advertising agency, loses his job along with his friend Simpson after a confrontation with their client, Manik Chand. Fearful of facing humiliation in front of his brother-in-law, engineer Rajendran, an eccentric, taunting and miserly individual who often mocks Naveen for being a loser, Naveen keeps his job loss a secret from his family. Naveen begins searching for a new job, while Simpson helps Naveen secure a 20,000 rupees loan through a mobile app, but quickly closes the loan with his friend's help, just before the family discovers the truth. Rajendran requests a meeting with Naveen's boss for a business deal. Desperate to conceal his job loss, Naveen convinces his former colleague, Bhagyaraj, to impersonate their manager. To maintain the charade, Naveen arranges for a 1 lakh rupees loan from a local moneylender, sacrificing his old car as collateral. Unfortunately, the job he was anticipating also falls through. Palnichamy's astrologer advises for a second marriage to restore their family's prosperity. Naveen shifts the expenses to Rajendran. However, Rajendran discovers Naveen's job loss and publicly humiliates him by exposing the truth to his family. To help Naveen establish a business, Subbulakshmi arranges for a bakery space on lease through her relative, Ponnusamy. Naveen borrows from another moneylender and sets up his bakery. However, a more established bakery soon opens nearby, slowing down Naveen's business and making it challenging for him to pay the lease. Meanwhile, Venila clears her UPSC prelims exam. Naveen's attempts to revamp his bakery leads to further debt accumulation. Rajendran mocks Naveen's struggles, suggesting he should have apologized to his former employer. Naveen's debtors unite and attack him for failing to pay interest. Ponnusamy intervenes, making Naveen's debtors witnesses to repay the lease, totaling 3,15,000 rupees to be repaid within 15 days. Palnisamy's friends propose a real estate deal offering a commission of 3,50,000 rupees. Naveen and Simpson rushed to meet a two-wheeler puncture shop person who was willing to sell his land. On the 14th day, Naveen evades Ponnusamy and other debtors, meeting the Singapore land buyer, and provides the necessary documents. The buyer accepts the deal but refuses to pay the agreed-upon commission of 3.5 lakhs rupees, offering only 1 lakh rupees instead. Naveen rejects the offer and returns the money, angering his parents. Meanwhile, Rajendran prepares to relocate to Shanghai for an upcoming project. He pretends to learn Chinese and adopts Chinese habits, irritating his wife, Anitha. She even plans to file for divorce due to Rajendran's tormenting behavior. However, the project gets assigned to someone else, and Rajendran is asked to apologize for his outburst in a meeting. But Rajendran quits his job instead of apologizing due to his ego. However, at home, he breaks down in tears in front of Anitha, causing her to reconsider her divorce plans. Ponnusamy evicts Naveen from the leased property, but he receives a call from his former boss, Mohan Ram, offering him his old job back, courtesy of Venila's recommendation. Naveen confronts Venila for arranging the job, leading to an argument and making Venila express regret over marrying him. Setting aside his self-respect, Naveen apologizes to Manik Chand and reluctantly rejoins the job. Naveen begins clearing his debts and meeting his commitments to his father, mother, and wife. However, Venila's words continue to haunt him, and he contemplates moving alone to Qatar, fearing he won't be able to provide for his family's future needs. When his family discovers his plans, Naveen asserts that he is leaving, as they only respected him when he was employed. During the argument, Venila experiences labor pains, and they rush to the hospital in Naveen's old car. En route, Venila clears up misunderstandings about her in-laws' behavior toward her, and Anitha argues over Rajendran's dominating behavior. Venila gives birth to a baby girl and she confesses that Naveen is a hero. She asks him to stay with her, and Naveen agrees. Finally, Venila's parents reunite with Naveen's family. Rajendran reforms himself and apologizes to Anitha, and Pandasamy resolves his differences with his wife.